Hello friends, you are admission to say cost and management accountant course. So there is a three levels: foundation, intermediate, and final. How to apply in this video tutorial is now available. So if you like it, share, subscribe. So as usually, go to the Google and type the Institute of Cost Accountants of India website. Go to the institute website, main website. So click the seats. Here it is a student contact, or otherwise go to the students, click the students tab. Same procedure. So if you want to admission the foundation, intermediate, or whatever may be final, so click here to online admission status and go through the checkout if you are already applied here. So click your name, application number, date of birth, email ID, mobile number, and everything submitted. They show the status. Store the status, how your admission status is progress on the institute. So if you how to apply this how to enroll you this professional course. So they have in this beautiful wonderful course we have three levels. That is intermediate, foundation, final, and there are in this course beautiful and wonderful course foundation, intermediate, and final. So select if you are which level you want. After you completed the foundation, after if you admission to the foundation entry level, so this is called foundation is the entry level of this course. This is the entry level of course, this is the middle course, this is the full-fledged course we get out into the CMA or CMA profession degree. So how to apply this? So if you are passed 10th, the fees of oral or postal both are 4,000. So the student will appear in the examination. His form is 2020. So for intermediate full fees 20,000. Fees of 20,000. So the students also will be appear in the examination December 20. That's why they flash on the screen are blinking, the green and red. So we also check out it. So after passed the intermediate, so we enroll the final course, that is 17,000. That is 17,000. This student also appear in the December 2020. So registered as a student, which you level have. So suppose you have foundation. So here it is mentioned, if you pass the 10th, so passport size photo, specifying signature, age proof, and 10th class mark sheet, and 10+2, that is intermediate or CBSE, whatever you have. 10th class, if you are passed, not yet completed, no problem. 10+2, select your degree, select your mode, oral or coaching. Oral means you regularly go to this college and academic coaching centers. Select decide your postal is you are get only prepare for you. So here it is, so course type foundation. We already this is hidden, so we need not to edit this. So regular or provisional, or if you are studying regularly or provisionally at 10th pass, select your desired certificate. If you qualified as a 10th passed, so click here and select your chapters nearest to your locality and select your this in general information is very key. So just to copy your certificates, that's enough, and click the next. So due to I did not type anything here, so this next tab will not move. So say address also mention in your certificate, previous 10th class certificates. So apply here and qualification details and payment and attachment. Attachment means scanned copy. That's it. This is the procedure for foundation. So same again, same as intermediate. After intermediate also, intermediate qualifying you passed at foundation or graduation with the fees of 20,000 is flashed here. Select if you are completed graduate. Same procedures. Here it is password, same passport. If you not yet completed, please relevant or last year semester mark sheet, third year or sixth semester admit card. And then if you are graduation completed regularly, here it is mentioned clear passport signature, you will do the certificate copy of graduation certificates, graduation certificate of graduation certificates, and regular for engineering others graduations specifying the photos, it is specifying signature, age proof, and another class mark list, and everything we have scanned copies of scanned copy. And click oral or postal. We already know the oral is regular coaching, same as you apply for foundation, same as the procedure. So please select here. Suppose you have selected postal. So selected postal does not regional council nearest you are appearing. So intermediate highlight here. So foundation, if already qualified as a foundation, identification number. So identification number you already given by the institute. Once you have qualified as a foundation, if you have not have, so apply through offline. Apply your apply your last degree graduation number. Here it is mentioned. That's it. Formality again. Click the next. And address details, just copy your previous qualifications, address, personal details here, that's it. And then once payment and attach your status will be check in the website. So how to check this? In the process of this video we discuss how to apply for registration or for the intermediate or final foundation, whatever, same as procedure as final also. So here it is course type, here is mentioned here. So back home, so after completing the intermediate, here it is select again oral, because oral or postal depends upon you have regular courses. So here it is current registration number. So once I have qualified, once you get the intermediate registration number, this is we move to the final, same as procedures, regular or follow selector regional councils nearest by. Suppose that's Southern Council, the Andhra Pradesh, this is the regional council state list. In nearest your Southern Council, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, select your state. That's it. Copy and paste and qualifying details and apply. Attachment means scan it through your scan mobile. Depends upon the KB, that 30 KB is not exceeds. So please like, share, subscribe for this my channel, for more updates. Any doubts, contact me. This is the way to apply for new admission to the Institute of Cost Accounts of India for CMA course. So please scan the copies and everything in your mobile or laptop. So qualify and apply. If any doubts, contact me. So if you are already applied, how to make a status? Four months you appear in the examination shall be appear in the founder or whatever may be. So this is the way to apply the foundation intermediate level for admission. So after submitting after submitting your details, how to find out the status if your application is not submitted or acknowledgement. So click here the online admission status. So I enter application number, email ID and everything here and submit. They have shown your status here. So select any one here, application number or date of birth or email ID, any or date of birth, your registration. This is the field column you apply. So please like, share, subscribe, check your status here after applying the application of your this admission course. So please thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.